So at this point, you guys probably remember the wedge that we talked about on Palantir stock yesterday. Do you guys remember that? Well, it looks like we're starting to break out. The stock's up over 3% on the day, and we have to do an update in this video. But first, guys, hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And of course, get your free stocks for a Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below, or simply go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo and deposit at least $100. Once you do that, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, again, use that link down below or simply go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers, let's get into it. So like I said, guys, the wedge that we talked about in my video yesterday, well, that is starting to play out. Well, we're breaking out of it. You guys can see again, Palantir's up 3.3% on the day, up over $2.40, and we're taking out the highs from yesterday with this move and almost from the day before. So let me actually clear the drawing set here and, well, show you guys what's going on. So like I said, we're taking out the highs from yesterday being about $75.25. So no problem. We're ripping out of there. That's no problem here. And now we're actually approaching the highs from Monday intraday in the beginning of the day, may I add. In the first couple of minutes, we hit about $77.75 in that ballpark. And today, if I pull up the intraday, that's where we almost got there earlier in the day, $77.45. We hit that arguably this morning as well. We got close, and just about 5 minutes prior to me making this video, we cracked over $77. Now we're slightly under it. So it's pretty clear that Palantir is trying to get past the highs from Monday. And we actually have an ascending triangle at the time that I'm making this video on the intraday chart. You guys see clear resistance today at about 77.30 to 50, but at the same time, we're making higher lows. Pretty distinct higher lows at that. So PLTR, guys, looks pretty bullish on the intraday, no doubt. And the fact that we're taking out the wedge here on the 30-minute, let me clear the drawing set and redraw it, that's also a very good sign. We're slowly starting to peak out of this wedge here. So, guys, in the short term, let's see what we do at the high from Monday. If this spot is able to break and we start pushing 79, 79.50, $80. If that were to break, now we're talking a full-on breakout for PLTR, and who knows how much higher it could go, guys. It's anybody's best guess. I've been saying all year, my goal, my target was $40. We hit that, then we hit 50, then we hit 60, then we hit 70, then we hit 80. So it's like, where's it going to go next? And like I've said to you guys, this is a stock that I'm holding on with diamond hands, man. I'm not a big meme stock guy or, an altcoin guy where they're like, oh, diamond hands, I'm holding on forever, no matter what. I'm not big into those types of investments. Obviously, we've covered that here on the channel before. I'm not a big crypto or meme stock guy. Sure, maybe I'll trade them with some fun money, but I'm really looking at Palantir like a diamond hands type of stock at this point. And it's very similar to what I saw with NVIDIA, where it just kept on going initially when it broke out. You guys remember that not too long ago, like 2.5 years ago, 2 years ago, whenever that was. And I think Palantir is similar to that, and it's just like when you think it's not going to go higher, it just keeps on breaking out. It's insane. And obviously, it's going to flatline at some point, consolidate for a longer period of time, maybe even sell off. But right now, man, we're in that phase where it's just ripping higher and higher. You guys, I'm not telling you anything that you don't know already, right? So in the short term, guys, keep your eyes on the wedge. Like I said, time and time again throughout this video, and I'm going to set my alerts. I'm going to put a couple here. I'm going to put one at $77.50. Mark is at or above. I'll do another one at, let's do $78 and maybe 50 cents. Mark is at or above. And yeah, we'll see where we go from there. Maybe I'll throw another one. Why not? At $80 per share. I doubt we hit that point today, but who knows? Maybe we do at some point tomorrow, on Friday even. It's in the cards. So, yeah, guys, keep your eyes on PLTR here. We are looking very, very good on all these time frames. We're above both moving averages on the 1-hour chart, on the 30-minute chart. Obviously, on the 4-hour chart, we're well above these moving averages. So, yeah, this might be going higher by the looks of it. And I'm curious kind of what you guys are thinking. Let me know down below in the comments. And don't forget to join the free email list. Shameless plug, guys. I'm sending out my top 3 stocks every single Monday right to your email. And the beautiful thing is that it's free. It's literally free. So check out that link in the description box. Put your first name and your email, and boom, you're signed up just like that. So PLTR, keep your eyes on it, on the wedge. We're breaking out, looking pretty good. And the entire stock market today, as of now, is in the green. Not a crazy green day. In fact, QQQ just went red, so that one's more at break even, but we'll cut it some slack considering how much it's gone up recently, and we just hit an all-time high a couple of days ago, so we'll cut QQQ some slack, but the Dow is up 0.25%. Dow's looking decent. Still not really confirming a pop here yet, but ultimately I do think this dip on the Dow will get bought up. Maybe today's the first day of that, up about 125 points on the day for the Dow. SPY's up around 0.25%. Nothing crazy here for SPY. Still pretty much trading flat. You guys see it here on the 30-minute chart. We've been in this range for a good 10 days, 2 weeks at this point. So SPY's up around 0.25%. Nothing much going on there. And the Russell is leading the gains, up 0.4%, but still, like the Dow, still pretty beaten down, not really confirming the reversal. But guys, when that reversal comes, I think it will at some point soon, it's going to roar back and go crazy. I think the Russell is going to rebound quite nicely back to 2450, 2500 points ultimately is where I see it going. And in the meantime, guys, while that figures itself out, we got to watch out for IJR and whatever small cap ETF that you guys track. I mean, there's so many of them out there, but one that just tracks small caps in general, the Russell, keep your eyes on an ETF like that, because look, once that Russell bounces back, which I think it will, in my opinion, it's not guaranteed obviously, but once it bounces back, we're going to get a nice bounce on these ETFs, and that's where we're going to get the money making, the trading opportunity, right? So IJR is down from 128. Now we're at what? 121, down about 6%. But I think ultimately this dip will get bought up. And I mean, have you seen a better looking chart, guys? I mean, this looks so good. Nice, healthy pullback, opening up nicely for an entry. I think IJR is looking juicy here, guys. And I'm not in it yet, per se. I'm not in it right now, but I will be in it as a trade once I do, see that confirmation. And of course, you guys, if you want to keep up with what I'm doing in the stock market, check out my Patreon. I have a portfolio on there that I've been building out for you guys, crushing the market, by the way, in that portfolio. If you want to keep up with what I'm doing in there, I'm buying stocks and putting in money every week. Check it out on Patreon down below. Another shameless plug. And yeah, with that being said, if you guys found value in the video, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe here on YouTube and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. And guys, that is linked right down below, or go to StockSurfFest.com/Mumu. Get your free stocks. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.